Welcome to the Vuolearning online learning platform. In this video, we will give instructions on how to utilize the platform's calendar events. Calendar events are created and managed in the Calendar tab. You can use the calendar events for face-to-face or remote events such as trainings or meetings. Create a new event by clicking on Create Event. Then give a title to your event and define the start and end times. Then click on Create. After that, you can define the other settings related to the event. In the Events Settings tab, you can, for example, add a location for the event, or a link, or a description. In Access and Visibility, you can manage the event's visibility. You can choose that only added users or certain user groups can participate in the event. Or you can choose that all the users can see the event in their calendars and can join it if they want to. You can limit the maximum number of participants and select that the participant's access request needs an approval from the event admin. In participant settings, you can add the participant info that is only visible to those users who have been added to the event, and you can define whether the event's participants will automatically get participation when the event has ended. You can add files for the event participants or ask the participants to fill in some fields to gather participant data. You can link achievements to the calendar events, and the users who participate in the events will be given the achievement. In the Participants tab, you can see all the users that have been added to the event, either by the event admin or by the users themselves, and here you can also add more users to the event. When you add users through email, you can also send the users an email that they have been added to your event. Calendar events can also be used as steps in learning paths. The users in the learning path are not automatically added to the events, but they can see the event and can join it if they want to. In the Participants tab, you can also view and edit the possible participant data, manually grant participations, delete users from the event, or send messages to the participants. The users can see those events in their calendar in which they have been added to, and also those events that are available to them and to which they can join. By clicking on an event, they can see the event details, and they can, for example, fill in the participant data, check the participant info, or cancel their registration. Calendar events are created and managed in the Calendar tab. The events can be made available for all the users or certain user groups. Events can be used as steps in learning paths. Users can get achievements from participating in the events.